Hey there, young coders. Ready to build your very own random letter generator? Let's embark on a coding adventure with the Random Letter app on Menu L210 from Schogini Toys DIY Kit. If you're just starting out, make sure to check out our menu navigation video to quickly become a menu pro. Press the joystick and voila! Our letter app comes to life, showcasing random letters every 2 seconds. Can't wait to see it in action? Skip the intro by pressing the joystick to the left and watch the letters roll. When you're ready to head back, a simple flick of the joystick to the left takes you to the main menu. Curious about the magic behind the scenes? It's all thanks to the wonders of Python coding. We've got a sneak peek of the code for you to explore. Eager to try your hand at coding? Our simulator is the perfect place to start, right on your laptop. And if you ever need a coding companion, our AI Chatbot is here to assist you every step of the way. Dive into the world of coding with all the resources you need at http://schoginitoys.com. Let's roll letters and code away. Congratulations! Remember, with our Schogini Toys DIY Kit, you can learn to create activities just like this one. For more exciting project ideas and updates, be sure to visit our Schogini Toys website and subscribe to our Instagram and YouTube channels.